Okay, so today we're going to be doing the bridge and the chorus for Wonderwall. There's one extra chord to add in to your other 5 chords, which is a G stroke F sharp. And you're going to try, if you can, to mute off the A, but don't worry if you can't manage that. So that comes along with the what I call run down the G. You go G, G stroke F sharp, E minor 7, and you're changing for the first half of that bar, you're changing every beat of the bar, and then you go back to your old strum. And there's a new strum to that, which goes down, down, up, and then you go down, down, up on the G stroke F sharp, and E minor 7 to your old strum, down, up, down, down. If you put that bar together, it sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Or G, G stroke F sharp, E minor 7, or down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, before that happens, and that also leads into the chorus, but before that happens, you get the C add 9 of the bridge, D sus4, E minor 7 for a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, then C add 9, D sus4, E minor 7 for a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you do C add 9, D sus4, and this is where they run down the G, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and then you finish up with A7 sus4 for 2 bars, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That leads to the chorus, and the chorus is C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7, C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7, that's twice through. C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7, that's 3 times through. And the last time, C add 9, E minor 7, G, 1, 2, and then you strike 1, 2, 3, 4, and count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go on to do the third verse, which is the same as the second verse, and then you go on to do another chorus, and then its choruses all the way to the end, and that would be around 8 times, depending on which version you've kind of listened to. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you next time.